Righto, so what this video was meant to be about was trying to ride track, trying to get better at motocross. Turns out we suck, me included. So there's going to be a bit of a series going on. I want to get into more of the other stuff we do, not just car stuff. So I want to get more bikes in there, more gun stuff, but this one's bikes, and it's really bad. It's 100% just a short fail compilation about how fucking terrible I rode. So yeah, there will be a bit of a build breakdown video on the KTM 150 that I built that you'll see in the video. I will get around to making a video about that, but for now, enjoy my... For now, you'll just have to deal with watching my failure. So we'll see you when the bike build's on. Not the whole track. Righto, we are rolling. What are you laughing at? So this is...
What they do at 15 minutes sets?
I think so, something like that. This would be day one of learning how to not crash riding on a motocross track. Hopefully I don't fuck the bike up. It's all built and fresh now, so I'll do a bike video on that too, but we're just gearing up, ready to go, so yeah, fingers crossed I don't die. This is us on now.
So we can go straight out?
Yeah.